When terrain following or obstacle avoidance cannot be enabled, it is likely that the drone has failed to detect or recognize the radar system. It can be observed that the drone currently fails to detect or recognize the forward-facing radar. Wait for 45 seconds and refresh the drone status. If the main controller fails to establish a connection with the radar or retrieve any radar data within 45 seconds, the system will recognize this as a failure. If both the forward-facing and downward-facing radars fail to be recognized, it is highly likely due to an abnormal power supply circuit. This scenario commonly occurs after post-crash repairs or circuit modifications. It is strongly recommended to first inspect the power supply lines. Check whether the main controller, radar modules, and wire harness interfaces are intact. Remove or disconnect the radar harness. Reconnect or plug in the new radar harness. If a single radar fails to be recognized, first disconnect the FPV, as water ingress or short circuits in the FPV may disrupt radar power supply, then test whether recognition returns to normal. If the issue persists, replace the radar module for cross-validation. If still unresolved, proceed to replace the wiring harness for further cross-validation. If the issue still persists after all previous steps, replace the main controller MCU as the final solution.